Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. It is the year 2024 and I'm excited to be with you guys today. Now before we start today's lesson, let's begin with our warm-up. I'm sure you guys remember how to count in Korean, right? So let's repeat after me. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome, good. All right, I'm gonna put this miraculous middle back in here. All right, now we're gonna rotate our arms just like this. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Other way now. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. Turning left and right like this. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. All right, let's stretch out our legs. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. All right, ready? One final stretch. We're gonna stretch out the middle like this. Good. Ready? Let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. All right, pick up one foot like this. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job. Other side now. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Shake out your hands, shake out your legs. 차렷, 그녀. Awesome. All right. Well, right now we're in the banana hut with Dojo, and Dojo's not in this room right now, but he's over there working on something. But what Dojo's working on is setting a goal. Now, do you guys know what a goal is? Right. A goal is a plan you set for yourself. Now, how do we set good goals, right? Well, there's a good acronym we like to use called SMART goals. So, S-M-A-R-T, right? So what's a SMART goal? Well, a SMART goal is specific, right? M, measurable, actionable, okay? Realistic, okay? So S-M-A-R, right? Now T means you can track it, right? So we have to have all these things into account when we're setting a goal. Now, why are we talking about this now? Well, really, whenever there's a new year, it's a good opportunity to set some new goals, right? So here's some goals that you might have. You might want to get more flexible. Maybe you want to be able to kick higher. Maybe you want to be able to punch faster, right? Those physical goals are good, but we also got to think about our spiritual goals as well. Now, what are spiritual goals? Well, that might be, hey, maybe let's try to get more holy, right? By becoming more virtuous people, by following the 5 tenets of Taekwondo, being more courteous, and having integrity, persevering when things are tough, also known as fortitude, which is a virtue, right? And these are goals also really good to set, right? These are great goals to set because guess what? If you set physical goals and spiritual goals and you put them together, they're only going to help each other out, right? This is why when Jesus was raised from the dead, he didn't just raise up with his soul, he raised with his body as well. So the body and the soul are meant to be together, right? Now, if this is the first time you're hearing this stuff and you're like, I don't really understand, right? This is kind of confusing. Don't worry, over time, over this whole year, I'm going to be teaching you more about Jesus, I'm going to teach you more about God and how martial arts and your faith can come together, right? They can come together and be something really beautiful to help you not only get physically strong, but also become a saint, which is exactly what God calls all of us to be, okay? Now let's see what kind of goal Dojo came up with. All right, Dojo, come over here. All right, buddy, you got your goals set up? All right, let me see. Okay. Well, Dojo, I mean, I appreciate you setting such ambitious goals, but I don't know if this is realistic. Can you go try this again? Okay, awesome. All right, so what happened is that Dojo had this goal of being able to do a kick, but he wanted to do the kick 5 times in the air. I can't even do that. How can you kick something 5 times in the air? I think I know what he's talking about. He's probably talking about this video right here, right? So these videos here of these awesome Taekwondo performers doing those crazy kicks, like the thing is with those people, right? And this is a good lesson too. Sometimes when we look at people who do something amazing, right? Something awesome, we think that they just got it right away. But here's the fact, okay? I know some guys who train like this. They had to struggle. And guess what? Guess what the first kick everybody learns in Taekwondo? Could be push kick, could be round kick, but the front kick, the most basic of all kicks, okay? So that's what we're gonna practice today. We're gonna practice the front kick, okay? So when 차렷, 그녀, awesome. All right, when I say fighting stance, 1 foot back, both hands up. Fighting stance. Awesome, good. All right, if you have your hands up like this, you look good. All right, when we do a front kick. Hi everybody, hope you're enjoying this YouTube lesson. Now real quick, if you're interested in supporting Dojo Go and getting exclusive series and content not found on YouTube, be sure to visit our website, dojogohomeschool.com, to find all of our exclusive content there. Now, back to the video. Front kick, we're gonna bend our knee, we're gonna snap it out, and then come down, and make sure you point your toes, okay? Repeat after me, everyone say, Hana. Good, do it. Good job, set. Good, net. Good, toss it. Awesome, we're gonna do this leg now, ready? Everyone say, Hana. Good job, do it. Good, set. Good, net. Good, toss it. Awesome, good job you guys. All right, keep bouncing on your feet. Now this time, we're gonna go front kick combination, okay? So repeat after me, try to be faster. Ready, Hana. Good job, ready, do it. Good job, keep those hands up. Ready, set. Good, good, net. Good, one more, toss it. Awesome, good job you guys, high five. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, you guys wanna play a game today? Wonderful, all right, let's have Dojo take a break from his goal setting. All right, come here, Dojo. Awesome, all right, Dojo. You know what game we're gonna play today? Yes, you're right, we're gonna play the front kick game. Now here's how the front kick game works, okay? What Dojo's going to do, okay? He's gonna stand right here. Now he's gonna put above his head either a green light or red light, right? Or a yellow light. Now, if you guys follow traffic signs, right? Green means go, red means stop, yellow means slow down, right? So here's what Dojo's gonna do, right? He's gonna flash up a different color. If it's green, we gotta go with the front kick. If it's red, you can't move. If it's yellow, we're gonna do a slow motion front kick, keeping our balance and then putting it down, okay? Working on that control, okay? Awesome, all right, hands up, fighting stance. All right, ready, and green. Good, green. Good, red. Oh, good job, not moving. If you did, it's okay. Try to be careful next time. Ready, yellow. 1, 2, 3, kick. Out and back, good. Ready, yellow. 1, 2, oh no, I just look on. 2, 3, kick. Good, and down, good, awesome. Ready, green. Good, good, green. Good, good, red. Good, red. Red, green. Good, 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 green. Good job, red. Red, yellow. 1, 2, 3, kick. Good, yellow. 1, 2, 3, kick. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome, high five, Dojo. Awesome, awesome. All right, Dojo, do you have your goal setting written down? Awesome, all right, let me go see it. Go and grab it and come back. All right, what's taking Dojo so long? Oh, there you are, buddy. All right, oh, what's wrong? A Goliath has attacked the village? Oh no, you guys. There's a Goliath that has attacked the village. Now what Goliaths are on Banana Island, there's these giant creatures with giant nunchucks, okay? And unfortunately, we're the only defense right now, so we gotta go to help them out. Should we help out Dojo to defend the town from the Goliath? Okay, awesome, all right, let's go. Okay, all right, we're on the beach here, but I don't see it. Oh no, he's throwing a rock at us, duck! Oh, okay, I think he's over there. Let's go get after him. Oh man, it's the Goliath. He has crazy nunchucks in his hand. All right, you guys, here's what we gotta do. We're gonna practice the move we learned today. We're gonna practice doing the front kick. Someone hands up, fighting stance. Awesome, good. All right, now as you can see, he has a health bar. Now he has a lot of health. What we have to do to defeat this Goliath is we gotta do 10 front kicks. Okay, 10 front kicks in a row. Ready? And everyone say, Hana. Good, do it. Good, set. Oh, he's gonna throw a rock at us. Ready, duck down, duck. Awesome, good, ready, net. Good, toss it. Good, yass it. Oh, not bad, back down, duck. Ready, you go. Good, you're there. Good, a hope. And yes. Awesome, good job, you guys, high five. Awesome, awesome, very good work today. Okay, now before you guys leave today, I'm gonna read you guys a quote from one of my favorite saints, Saint Augustine of Hippo, okay? And it's actually really important because it's all about setting goals, okay? So I'm gonna read that quote for you guys, and then I'll see you at the next part of the lesson. Saint Augustine of Hippo says, "Take care to do things with order, and order will take care of you." Hi, I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. Now, if you did like it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, parents, if you're looking for a way for your child to learn how to meditate like a Catholic samurai, like Blessed Justa Ukan Takayama, I've designed a free course that you guys can get down below. All you need to do is visit dojogohomeschool.com/samurai for Christ. Again, dojogohomeschool.com/samurai for Christ, and you'll learn all about the way of Saint Ignatius mental prayer, the same methods that Blessed Takayama, a Catholic samurai, used to meditate. So, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all later.